The Realme GT Pro is set to be unveiled in China this month, featuring the newly announced Snapdragon 8 Elite flagship chip. It will make its international debut next month in over 10 countries, including India, where it will be the first smartphone powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite. While the specific launch date in India hasn't been announced yet, Realme confirmed that the GT Pro will be available through Amazon as well as on their Indian website and in offline retail stores. There were initial expectations that the iQOO 13 would be the first Snapdragon 8 Elite-powered smartphone in India, with rumors of a December launch. However, iQOO is also expected to unveil the device in China prior to that. Historically, there's a competitive dynamic between Realme and iQOO. Back in February 2020, Realme launched the X50 Pro 5G just before iQOO's planned introduction of the iQOO 3 5G as India's first 5G smartphone. It wouldn't be surprising if iQOO tries to do the same with the iQOO 13. As for the Realme GT Pro, it's currently available for pre-order in China, and a recent underwater unboxing video hinted at an IP68 69 rating, which would be a first for a Realme device.